I'm from class 5I Nurse, and I'm here to presentation on the topic of acting hobbies and exploration. I hope you find it informative and interesting. If you have any questions during the presentation, feel free to ask, and I'll be happy to answer at the end. So let's go start. What would you like to add? Number 1, pleasure. Food can provide inpalatable pleasure. The delicious texture, spices, and texture, and the smell of the food can boost our appetite, can lift the mood, and feel happy. Number 2, social. Acting with friends and family is a fun way to spend time together. Food can be a medium building strong relationships and books. Next slide. My favorite food, number 1, seblak. Seblak is typical Bandung food made from turkey boiled with spicy spinach. Number 2, meatball. Meatball is a spaghetti made from meatballs served with ramper. Number 3, smashed chicken. Smashed chicken is spicy and crispy. Baked chicken meal better with filling sauce. Next slide. Unforgettable dining experiences. Number 1, when I eat seblak for the first time. It's spicy and sporty texture made me unbeaten. Number 2, on that, I add meatball and my favorite is on the jumbo meatballs were very delicious. Number 3, and unforgettable experience of eating smashed chicken was when I tested smashed chicken with the next level of spiciness. Next slide. Suggestion for enjoying food. Number 1, close and comfortable place. Be grateful for the food we enjoy and don't forget to serve it with water. Number 2, give time. Close and comfortable and quick ways to add to focus on enjoying your food. Number 3, enjoy with all you have. Enjoy very and focus on the texture of the food. Thank you all. That's the story about my hobby. See you next time.